Yo, what's good? Today is January the 19th, a day after my birthday. I burned my damn Hot Pocket. Not really though, but pepperoni Hot Pockets are the best. I'm just saying though. Hold on, the man of the goddamn hour, dude. Where'd he go? Hey, what the what the fuck? Hey yo, look, he's like just going away. Oh, look. This is
That's gay.
Hell with your VTEC.
What you say?
Oh, VTEC. VTEC. Oh, that's the dude. Oh, okay. Hold up. Oh, no, that's not him. Where the hell did he go? Oh, my phone. This nigga funny as shit.
Okay, you got the handbrake.
What the fuck?
That's nice, man. 53mm turbo, that's pretty good. That's my shifter. Yeah, it is.
Oh, Damien, this is my friend Rob. Rob, this is Damien. I'm sorry.
No problem. I heard this car, I had to come check it out. Sounds good. Yeah.
Powered by haters, I like that. I want that sticker.
That's what I like right there.
What?
Get the assembly out and put that in.
You see that?
What
my next car.
Yo, here she go, yo.
My
Here
next
she
car.
go.
Catch me 2K18 with my next car.
What the? I'm about to stalk your ass. Did you just rev at him though?
I'm about to go be a fan girl.
What? I forgot his name. I just know he's from Imperial Dynasty.
Who, him?
Yeah.
Is he a Spanish guy?
I don't know.
I don't think it out.
Why they leaving though? What's up? What's up? What's up?
I was gonna take my Scott on, but I ain't gonna wash it.
Oh.
I was gonna take my bikes, but it was too cold.
Yo, who?
Bikes?
Yo, I've been seeing people driving their bikes at like
Yeah.
single digits. They crazy, man.
I just took it out the garage. I was like, man, I won't even drive that joint. It's a 370Z Nismo. With the
Yo.
racing seats, and I got the racing seats and everything in here.
Yeah, I'm about to get one myself. I'm about to get the black one.
The black one?
Yep. They had one in
I might get rid of both my cars.
You gonna? How much you trying to sell them? Or just?
No, I got buyer already. Go trade both of them and
Oh.
get probably a used Lambo green one.
Oh come on, yo,
And that's it.
yo.
And that's it
No.
after that. And that's it after that.
So do you like it?
I like that way. It's too slow. Like,
That's not good. You just flash me?
No, he's flashing in. No, he's flashing in.
I just don't know where. Look at Bay. Oh, gang gang. Olympic Popo leaving.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, it's lit. That's what you were talking about?
Yeah.
I see you.
Coco misbehaving, y'all.
Is it cat back or straight pipe? Straight pipe. Everybody got straight pipe.
Oh, look at it. Look at it. What's that say? Listen, thank you. Yes. I never seen like one up like close.
Oh, I've seen a couple of them up close.
Yeah.
I love them.
Oh, you gonna do it? Yeah. Tamika, you know I saw that dude in blues. Saw that dude.
All these motherfuckers are like revving at each other. It's like a fucking battle. See, man, drive safe. Yo, I want to exhaust so bad. Honda doesn't leave.
You're running rich?
No, I don't like when they're like all talking like in groups and shit. Oh, that's what I want. I want to convert it, dude. Do you not want to sit with us?
I'll be right back.
Look at that, they're funny. Godzilla.
Yeah. See, that look. That's not right.
You got, so that's a sleeper.
Don't make me wreck my car.
This thing is not a cat bag, yeah. Right?
It sounds nice.
It's affordable, but what's it like?
Get him! Hey, yo, that boy like, what the fuck?
You've been sitting here for like 2 hours. Mustang, he's gonna run me over. He's gonna break your arm.
Oh my god!
Yeah, he would be fucking pissed.
It's cold out.
Are they close? Look at him!
What up, YouTube? Yo, we got cars out here, fucking V6 Mustangs, failing at burnouts and shit. Fuck them. Fuck them.
What the fuck? This nigga funny as shit.
Yo, that Ford Focus is the best sounding Ford Focus you ever hear in your life.
I want you to see him do a burnout. Yo, son, just got home. Yo, I fucking should have recorded that shit, but homie was like, D-Man was like fucking, he was like screaming at people. Like, people were like just doing dumb shit to the event. Shout out to the Mustang that got angry. Yo, hopefully I got the footage. Like, Yo, I was laughing so damn hard, like I couldn't, as you probably heard, I couldn't keep the camera up. Like, I kept bending down laughing because, like, my ribs was hurt.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.